All right, so last week, I know I wasn't here, but hopefully, I know some of you guys said the videos weren't that helpful. If you are concerned about those 3 lessons, I will have office hours today and tomorrow after school. All right, so come by after school. We can work on any of those that you want. We will have, obviously, lots of time of review and things like that to make sure you know those lessons from last week. But the one we're going to focus on today actually has to do with Thursday's lesson. All right, that was the properties of logarithms. All right, so we'll be using some of those again today. So today is all about solving exponential equations. All right, so if you look at number 2 in the rewind, all right, if you look at this right here, this is an exponential equation. And you guys solved it by looking at it. What number makes that true? 2. Boom, you didn't even do anything. You solved it, you know it's 2. All right, I'll be showing you today 2 strategies that we can use to solve those types of equations. All right? All right, so you already read this slide. We're going to start with the first strategy here about trying to write them using the same base. So in example 1, first thing I need to know, what are the bases?
8 and 2.
Very good, Rossi. 8 and 2. All right, usually look at the larger numbers. And I know it's hard to really tell here, but those are actually the x and the x plus 4. Those are both in the exponent, even if it looks a little confusing. All right, so can you guys think of a way to rewrite 8 using the base of 2? So I'm really asking you, 2 to what power gives you 8? And it's not 4. It's 3. Right? 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So 3 of them. All right? Again, that's why we have the yellow calculators to help you if you can't do this mentally. Okay, they're right behind Adrian. Okay, so that wasn't the only thing that was there, though. We had next to the 8, bless you, next to the 8 was what in the exponent? The variable, x. So you need to rewrite that. All right, so that comes down. Equal to, and on the right side, what is my base? So I don't want to change that. All right, since I'm rewriting this with a base of 2, I'm okay with that one also being 2, because I want them to be the same. All right, so now you're going to have to go back in time to Algebra 1. All right, we actually touched on this at the beginning of the first semester. But this is an exponent property. When you have a power raised to another power, do you know what you do with that 3 and that x?
Multiply.
Very good. You multiply. So we're going to drop the parentheses, and my new power is going to be what? My new power is going to be 3x, because 3 times x is 3x. All right? Equal to 2 to the x plus 4. Now this is it. Not yet, Andy. This is it. This is your whole goal for the first half of class. Notice what is now my base for both of these. 2. It's the same. If you get that, you basically have done everything you need to do, and then you're ready just to solve. You want these to be the same number, whether it's 3, 4, 5, whatever it is, but I want these to be the same number. This, because usually, a lot of times, I'll use this number to rewrite that number. And 2 cubed is 8. All right? Now, you have to understand that if I have the same base, and I have this is x and this is 4, what must x be to make this true? It has to be the same. So do I care about these bases? No. So once you have the same base, you're going to drop the base. All I care about are the exponents. So you're going to notice I'm going to write 3x equals x plus 4. So notice what's gone. What's no longer there? The bases of 2. They're gone. Right? We dropped them. And you should recognize this from Algebra 1. This is a linear equation. So get your x's to one side and solve it. Go. So get your x's to one side, whatever side you want. Get the number to the other side and solve. All right, and you should have gotten, if you do the work here, a lot of people will move the x over by subtracting. So you'll get 2x equals 4. So x equals 2. All right, are there any questions on that? Any questions on that problem of solving an exponential equation?